Okay, we are at this, this Baju Daju, whatever it's called. Let's go ahead and make sure that the buttons don't work. I hate it when the buttons work. Maybe I need to press this. Do a double tap. Okay, RTP's all the way up. Make sure we can read the numbers right. We're going to start out with $88 bet. Because we got zone and extra spins ready to spit. There we go, triple pop. Holy shit! Double pop on $88. 10-cent denom. This is my second bet. Let's get the party started. $88. We're about to bankrupt this place. Look at that. Damn, that's fat. Shit. Dad needs a new pair of shoes. Oh, come on. Don't be dirty. 1,500. All right. A little 2,000 right there. Come on. Nice. There we go. Look at those big numbers. That is big friggin' numbers. Look at it. No sooner said than done. We get a little 500. 1,500. All right. All right. You're making me proud. You're making me proud. Save it though. Right here. I need you to save it right here. Over there is fine too. Over there, ain't arguing. There we go. Keep dropping. Drop it like it's hot. There you go. Nice. Damn, we filling that up. Shit. Look at this. Come on. Hit it. You better save it. Last pay. You better save it. Better save it. Save it. See, I told you. Look at that. We're just driving. We need 2 more to win the grand up top. Come on. There we go. Nice. We need 2 up top and 2 at the bottom. Top is done. We just need 2 at the bottom. It's going to hit right here. Oh, I saw a mini. Or minor. Damn. That's okay. What we got? Sorry, we got to sit through this. Look at that. Look at that. We're at 1,000 just on the top. 1,250 just on the top alone. We got a 3,000 here, so we're looking at probably 3 grand. Okay, maybe not. 2,650. That's still good. 2,650. Another hand pay. I love paying taxes. Woo! Okay, while we're waiting to get that 2,650 hand pay, we're just gonna step to the side and play this Dookie Link. So we got the grand is 42,000, majors at 7,000, maxis 4,000, minors 150, mini 75. But you know that's gonna change once we hit this 25-cent denom. So we're starting out with $300, maxis 4,000 still, minors 500, and minis 250. Let's see if we can crack it. We're gonna walk it up. We're gonna do the ladder bet. Oh, I forgot to turn up the RTP. Woo! $50 bet. 62.50. 62.50 got us 125 back. Got jackpot full. We got these 3 guys. We're gonna stay on the 62.50. See what happens. Let's see. Let's change it. No, 25 is eyes. You know. All right, 62.50. Bring down 37. We're gonna add some more money. Hold on. So we got another 300 in. We're gonna hit these 37.50s. Let's go for a triple pop. Hit the triple pop. No. All right, walk it up. We're gonna do $50 bets. Come on. All right, we gotta add some more money in. Okay, so we got another 300 into it. We changed the denomination to 10-cent denomination. We're gonna try and crack it at that $50 bets. $40 bet. 30. $20. Okay, we just collected the leftovers from the other game. I'm waiting to get paid out. So we're gonna hit it with $20 spin. $30 spin. $40 spin. And $50 spin. Nice. What we got? What we got? All right, $75 back. We're gonna finish it with the $50 spin. See if we can hit it. See if we can trigger something. We're gonna leave with some money. Not gonna give it all back. So I gotta wait on this $2,500 payout. Oh, we need that triple pop. All right, put another $200 in. We're gonna try to see if we can hit it with a $20. Let's see, 5-cent denom. $25 bet. Change up 25. Oh, come on, what is that? All right, $37.50 back. $25. Just hit. Bonus round. Come on, what are you gonna give me? Oh shit, triple pop. So we did 25-cent denom, $25 bet, and it looks like we got a double pop. We got most spins and most symbols. Alright, starting out with 3 diamonds. That's good. Come on, 2 more diamonds. Alright. Come on, we need to get them 2 diamonds real quick. One more.
This one reminds me of when I used to have feet.
Alright, look at that. 2 diamonds and an extra spin. That's good.
Extra spins.
Nice. Come on. Nice. 2 diamonds. We need 1 more diamond. We're gonna hit 2 diamonds right here. Watch. All right, 1 diamond still good. Come on, we gotta build it up. I mean, we're getting big, but we ain't building it up. Look at that. That's dirty. Come on. Jeez. No diamonds, and we're not even getting big numbers. This is bad. I already see how we're going out. Unless we get 2 spins or 2 diamonds on this last spin, it ain't happening. At least we got a mini. Mini's $250.
Mommy
What do we get? $1,500 right under hand pay. Nice. We're gonna cash out with that. We're just cracking it tonight.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and a 24, and 50. All right, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
to you.
There you go.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.